Citizenship to Afghanistan, Pakistan, Bangladesh minorities in Gujarat. Union Home Ministry recently notified an order granting citizenship to religious minorities in Afghanistan, Bangladesh and Pakistan residing in Anand and Mehsana districts in Gujarat. The Ministry of Home Affairs notification grants citizenship to Hindus, Sikhs, Buddhists, Jains, Parsis and Christians from Afghanistan, Bangladesh and Pakistan, living in Anand and Mehsana districts in Gujarat. This order empowers district collectors to grant the citizenship to these minorities under Citizenship Act, 1955. The recent notification will benefit migrants who entered India via passport or visa and already applied for citizenship under Section 5, by registration, and Section 6, naturalization, of the Citizenship Act, 1955. To implement this order, an online application will be made available for the immigrants. The verification will be undertaken by the district collector, and will then be forwarded to the central government agencies. The candidates who applied for Indian citizenship will be investigated by the Intelligence Bureau. Is this the first time that the citizenship is granted to religious minorities from neighboring countries? Pakistan, Bangladesh, Afghanistan. This is not the first time that the magistrates or collectors were given the power to grant citizenship to religious minorities who legally entered India from. In 2016, 2018 and 2021, the central government issued similar orders to district magistrates in several districts of Gujarat, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, Haryana, and Punjab. In 2016 and 2018, the district collectors of Ahmedabad, Gandhinagar and Kutch were given the power to grant citizenship to minorities from Afghanistan, Bangladesh and Pakistan. In August 2022, Gujarat Home Minister distributed Indian citizenship certificates to 40 Pakistani Hindus at the Ahmedabad Collectorate. In 2022, 107 Pakistani Hindus were given Indian citizenship by the Ahmedabad District Collector. How is the recent MHA order different from CAA? The MHA order of October 31, 2022 grants citizenship under the Citizenship Act, 1955. And not under the controversial Citizenship Amendment Act, 2019, CAA. The Citizenship Amendment Act, CAA, aims to grant citizenship to 6 undocumented immigrant minority communities who came to India until December 31, 2014. The CAA seeks to fast-track migrants' applications by reducing the mandatory requirement of 11 years, aggregate stay in India to 5 years under Section